Good morning, childrens. Grade second. Subject Computer Science. In previous class, what we learn? We learn about input devices of computer. So, what is input? Input means give data to the computer is called input. So, which device is used for input? That is called input devices. So, okay, what are the input devices we learn? Keyboard, graphic pad, web camera, mouse, scanner, joystick, trackball, digital camera, microphone. We learn some input devices for give input to the computer. Which is the most common input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Next we are going to learn about output devices of computer. Okay childrens, what is input? Yes, input means give data to the computer is called input. So, okay, what is output? Output means get data from the computer is called output. What is output devices? So, output devices means nothing but the devices that your computer uses to show the result of processing are called output devices. When you type your name in keyboard, so which devices show your name? In monitor. So the monitor is the one of the output device. So what are the output devices? The output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, headset, projector, plotter. These are the output devices of computer to get the data from the computer. Now we are going to learn about printer. So what is a printer? Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics output from a computer and transfer the information to a paper. Usually to standard size sheet of paper, printers vary in size, speed, sophistication and cost. In general, more expensive printers used for higher resolution color printing. So the printer is used for print the information on a paper. Next we see about different types of printer. There are two types of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. So impact printer has two types, dot matrix printer, line printer. And non-impact printer has five types, laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer, photo printer, plotters, etc. The plotter has two types, bin-based plotter and electrostatic plotter. So this is the impact printers. Impact printer involve mechanical components for conducting printing. It is a type of printer that works by direct contact of one ink ribbon with paper. These printers are typically loud, but impact printers print the characters by striking the print head on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper. This is look like typewriter. This is non-impact printers. So impact printer is used only, no mechanical moving component. This printer is print the characters without the printer head touching the paper. These printers print a complete page at a time. So thus they are also called page printers. So non-impact printer has four types. There are laser printers, inkjet printers, plotters and thermal printers. Now we are going to learn about speakers. So speakers are one of the output device that produce sound as output from the computer. So the speaker has different types. Next we learn about monitor. So this is one of the main part of computer. Do you see monitor? Yes, we all are see the monitor. So the monitor called visual display unit is the main output device of computer. This is the main output device of computer. It forms images from tiny dots called pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. Types of computer monitors. First one, CRT monitors. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. This monitors employ CRT technology, which was used most commonly in the manufacturing of television screens. Next, LCD monitors. Now we are using mostly LCD monitors. So LCD stands for liquid crystal display. The LCD monitor incorporates one of the most advanced technologies available today. Next, LED monitors. LED stands for light emitting diodes. This is cathode ray tube monitor. This is flat panel display for get the output from the computer. Do you know what is this? Yes, ATM. So these monitors are used for simple applications where we press the screen to give input and the output is displayed on the same screen. So this is touch screen monitors. So what is this? This is smartphone. So the smartphones have capacitive touch screens that can be used to give input and also display output from smartphones. So this is called capacitive touch screen monitor. Now what are the output devices we learn? We learn about printers, speakers and monitors. So printer is used for print information on a paper. So the speaker is used to produce sound and monitor is used to display the output. Do you understand this lesson? Yes. Okay, thank you.